Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to maths class. In the previous class, we have completed our fourth chapter, that is basic geometrical ideas. In this session, we will start a new chapter. Before going to start a chapter, we will see some basic things. Natural numbers. In previous class, you already learned what is natural numbers, what are natural numbers. Okay, so the counting numbers are called natural number. 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are natural numbers. Starting from 1, the smallest natural number is 1. Starting from 1, these are all natural numbers. So the natural number is denoted by capital N and the set of natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the set of natural numbers. The number which starts from 1 and the smallest natural number is 1. This is a natural number. The set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Okay, next, whole numbers. These are the basic definitions. Whole numbers. Zero, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole numbers starting from 0. Here the natural number is starting from 1. This is natural number and the smallest natural number is 1. And here whole numbers start with 0 and so on up to infinity. So these are 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers. Next, the whole number is denoted by capital W. The whole number is denoted by capital W and the set of whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are set of whole numbers and these are set of natural numbers. The smallest whole number is 0. Here the smallest natural number is 1 and the smallest whole number is 0. Okay. Next. See here, 24 is natural number as well as whole numbers. Okay. And plus 24, yes, this is also a natural number as well as whole number. Minus 24, see here, this is not a natural number and not the whole numbers because here the sign is minus. So this comes under integers. This comes under integer, negative numbers, positive numbers as well as with 0. So these are integers. So sixth chapter. Sixth chapter is integers. We will explain later fifth chapter. Okay. So here, what is our new chapter? That is sixth chapter is integers. Here, whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. These are the numbers. But here, in whole numbers, sorry, in natural numbers, only counting numbers. These are whole natural numbers. Whole numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole numbers. Here, integer I or Z. Integers denoted by I or Z. Here, the integers 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and so on. Here they include 0, negative numbers as well as positive numbers. For example, see here. What is this? We'll explain later. In this 0, positive numbers and here all negative numbers. So these are the integers. 0, positive numbers as well as negative numbers. So these comes under integers. Integer is denoted by Z or I. Okay. Understood? What is natural numbers? Already you have learned these definitions, basic definitions. That is natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers or natural numbers with zero is a whole number, and the numbers zero, positive numbers and negative are integers. Okay, so sixth chapter is integer. We'll see integers in integers, some basic definitions. This is an introduction with you students. This is the introduction class. Here, number line. Yeah. Number line. The name itself indicates number. Numbers means positive numbers, negative number, or zero. These are the numbers. But what is line? Yeah, we know that line extends from both the sides. Already we have learned in the fourth chapter that is our basic geometrical ideas. Okay, what is line? Line extends from both the sides. Arrow mark shows the extensions of these two sides. Okay, understood? Here, yeah, number line, the line on the numbers on the lines. See here, there are three parts in the number line. This is the number line. On this, there are three parts. This is the right side, and this is the left side of number line. Here, all negative numbers. Here, all negative numbers, and here, all positive numbers. Center 0. Okay, to the right, all positive numbers at equidistance, and to the left, all negative numbers at equidistance. Okay, see here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and so on. Because this is a line extends from both these sides. Here, we have to start minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. So this is a number line. The line, the numbers on the lines. So here on the number line there are positive signs, negative signs, and zeros. It includes zeros. So this is comes under integers. Okay, integers is nothing but here minus 25, plus 23, 0. This all includes integers. In integers and negative integer comes in this integers. Understood? So here number line. Number line have three parts. Center 0, to the right all positive numbers, and to the left all negative numbers, negative integers. Okay. So here, let's suppose we have to represent plus 4 on a number line. We want to write plus 4 on the number line. So what we have to do? We have to see whether this sign is plus or minus, positive or negative. Yes, this is a positive. It comes under right side of the number line, because all positive signs comes under integers comes under right side of the number line, and all negative integers comes under the left side of the number line. So here plus 4, we have to count from here, from 0. Where is 4? Here. This is 4. Or you have to write this, you have to circle it. So we have to represent plus 4 on the number line. So this is a way to represent a plus 4. Okay. So this is plus 4. Next, we have to represent minus 10 on a number line. So we have to draw a line. Here, we don't want positive signs, so take 0 here. Okay, here positive numbers, here negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, and so on. Here, why we are taking 0 as here? Because it extends. If it extends both the side, 0 comes middle only. So on the center only. So we don't want to extend line, because we want only negative 10. So we want negative numbers. We don't want positive numbers. So take any 1 up to 3 or 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here, what is it? What is our question? Minus 10. So where is minus 10? Negative numbers comes left side. So see left side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and minus 10. So here there is a minus 10. Negative numbers comes left side. Okay, so hope you understood what is number line. And in this number line you have to add, subtract, multiply, we'll see. Okay, additional number line. We'll see addition on a number line. See here, later we'll see additional number line. We'll see first exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. First question. Write opposite of the following. Write opposites of the following. See here, yeah, we know that opposite words. Already we have learned in English subject what is opposite words. Okay, opposite means, for example, sit, stand, fat, thin. So these are opposite words. Okay, so let's see what is the opposite of the given statement. Here in this A, increase in weight. Increase in weight. Here we have to see the word. Here increase. The word is increase. Weight opposite not some. So we have to see increase in weight. So what is the opposite words of increase? Yes, decrease. Decrease in weight. Same we have to write. Only we have to write once opposite. So increase words opposite, decrease. Decrease in. Next, B, 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer north. So north opposite, north, south, east, west. So here north opposite south. So 30 kilometer south. Next, here C, D take homework, C, D and E. Because only you have to write opposite words of that word. Okay. C, 80 meter east. D, loss of rupees 700 and E, 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. Here, take these three homework, but here we have to write the opposite of east. Yeah, not the south, east. You have to write opposite of east and you have to write 80 meter. Then answer. Loss. Here, what is the opposite of loss? Loss means, yeah, loss means loss. Here, next, what is the opposite? Above. Yes, we have to write these three words, opposite words. You have to write and keep sentence as it is. Understood? Next, this is a first question. Second question. Represent the following. Represent the following. Represent the following numbers as integer with appropriate sign. Numbers as integers with appropriate sign. See here, we have to see this statement and you have to write in a number and with appropriate sign. First one, A. An aeroplane is flying. An aeroplane is flying. An aeroplane is flying at a height at a height 2000 meter above the ground. 2000 meter 2000 meter above the ground. See here, we have to write numbers as integers. What is integer? Yes, the positive and negative numbers with 0 includes integers. So we have to write integers with the number. This is a statement. We have to convert this statement to number with appropriate sign. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. See here, this is a ground level. This is a ground. An aeroplane is flying. See here. This is the height of aeroplane. Okay, the aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter. See here, we have to write in numbers. This is statement we have to write. We have to convert statement to a number. And see here, what is the statement says here? An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above. See here, above. Above means upside or downside. Upside. So here we have to take positive signs because upside all positive numbers and downside all negative numbers. See here, for example, instead of I am writing like this horizontally, sorry, vertically, I am writing integers as a horizontal. See here, number line. Here center 0 and here all above the number line all positive numbers. All positive numbers. Below all negative numbers. So below the gun, this is the ground level and below all negative numbers and above all positive numbers. But here our aeroplane is flying above the ground level. So we have to take plus 2000 meter. So what is your answer here? Positive plus 2000 meter. So write only plus we have to write integers. Compulsory we have to mention because here in question integers with appropriate sign. So we have to take numbers with sign plus 2000. Next, second, B part. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below 800 meter below 800 meter below the sea level. Yes, here only this word is enough for writing a sign. Above means positive numbers, below means negative number. So here this is a sea level. Okay, this is a sea level. Here on water, submarine. A submarine is moving at a depth, means depth downside 800 meter. 800 meter downside, depth downside. So below the sea level. So this is the submarine inside the sea level. This is the sea level. So downside means what we have to take? We have to take negative sign. So minus 800 meter. So this is your answer. Okay. Next, a depth of rupees 200 and withdrawal of rupees 700. Take these two, C and D homework, write it and send it to my WhatsApp number. We'll continue in next class. Hope you understood, students. What we have discussed in this class? Yes. Integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. Natural numbers, counting numbers are called natural numbers, and whole numbers, counting numbers with 0. That is, the whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the smallest whole number is 0. 0 with positive, negative signs is negative integers, signs called as integers. So our sixth chapter is all about integers. We'll see. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.